This is a demonstration how to assemble the Aesculap Overholt large and small graspers. Both follow the same principle, only obviously one is larger and one is smaller. The larger of the two has a longer black sheath and a longer metal sheath. The smaller has a similar design but a smaller black sheath, and it uses the regular metal sheaths as with the other Aesculaps. So to demonstrate on the smaller one first, with the flexible side, you want to make sure that goes over the insert first. It then friction fits with a slight click at the tip of the grasper. You'll then grab the outer black sheath and go over the both. This does not click into place, this is a small friction fit, so the black sheath is prone to sliding. So just be sure to be aware of that as you assemble into the handle. To attach to the handle, you want the Aesculap handle, and you want to pull back the grey part and ensure that the orange band is visible. For the sake of ease, I find it easier holding on to the grasping edge, but ensuring that the moving parts are still able to freely move. And then pushing onto the handle until it fits. The handle will adjust itself once it finds the right fit. You can then engage to ensure it works. The reason why I suggest holding onto the handle, the grasping edge, is as you would push whilst holding the sheath could potentially move. As you can see, the sheath has moved down from its original position. This can easily be rectified by simply pushing on the grasper tip, and the handle will find itself. Either method works perfectly fine, just my preferred method is holding on to the grasper. If there are anyone that says that a grasper isn't working, particularly this model, suggest asking them to push the grasper tip in a bit further, the insert. Possibly just be assembling error. Should now demonstrate the same thing with the larger sheath, the larger grasper. And it can also fit onto the ratcheting handle. Important thing to note, ensure the ratcheting handle is open and not engaged. That is open, that's engaged. So if you were to activate it, it clicks into place. It's easier to assemble when it's not engaged. And to disassemble the two, it's as simple as starting with this again, making sure the orange band is open, simply pulling out. And that concludes the Aesculap Overholt graspers.